Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to show you a few things that I've been working on, Christmas projects. And I'm not sure if I showed you these before, but this is a Kscraft die that I use to put the tags in to make that little pocket. I actually made the pocket wrong, but it's actually a tea bag holder. And you can see, I don't know if you can see within, but there's a line, what do you call that, a scoring line right here, and you're actually supposed to fold it and have it kind of a triangular shape where you can, this would be separated and it would be a triangular shape. Well, I didn't do it that way. I just put the pocket on it, kept it long, and just put tags in it from a collection of paper from Michael's. I'm gonna go ahead and, yeah, there we go. So I made 4 of these, and I am going to put them in a swap. So here's the first one, and this is a new Michael's paper. It is Holly Jolly, maybe, I'm not sure. But anyway, there I cut out some tags from the paper collection, and I actually made this from the paper collection. And I mean, it is a Kscraft die that I used. And here's the second one, and then third, and then the fourth one. Okay. And then I want to show you some of the Christmas words that I've cut out. Finally, I did them Santa Claus and red and green, and then Nutcracker and mistletoe. The first time I did them, I messed them up. I actually put them on a print background, and they just didn't turn out right, but these are cute. And then elves, Mrs. Claus, North Pole. Okay, I haven't finished all of them, but you know, there they are. So I want to show you something that I've been working on. I did cut out some more tags, but I made this little bag, and I'm going to fill it with tags. That's why I brought out the tags. But I also made the paper clip dangles. I've been making a ton of dangles, just, you know, when I'm sitting, you know, watching TV or something, I sit and I make dangles, and I'll show you some of them that I've made recently. Hopefully you can see. So these are some that I've made. I was making ladybug ones. I mean, you can even see that I had, I made these in the spring, and you know, some of the words, but these are the Christmas ones I've been making. And look, there's joy. But I bought a kit on Amazon, and you can buy all types of kits, bead kits on Amazon. That one's the ladybug one, and you can just sit there and while you're watching TV or whatever, you know, just sit here and make dangles. Some of these beads are for that side. But anyway, that's what I did, is I just sat there and made dangles. And then I put them on the paper clip for the closure for these little bags. So you can see there's a lot of tags in there. I don't have all the tags in there yet, but I will. And that bag, I was going to do a Velcro, and then I thought, oh my gosh, you made all those dangles. Why don't you just put them on a paper clip and do it that way? And so that's what I did. Put them on a paper clip, put 3 to a paper clip, and that's the closure for the little bag. And I ended up, this is a Michael's new paper, but I ended up making 4 of them. Here's the Santa, and then here's another Santa. And the dangle beads are just, I love them. They're so cute. But they don't have to, you know, whoever you give it to doesn't have to use these for a paper clip. They can actually put them on their own dangle. And then here's that beautiful deer paper. I just love that deer paper. It's my favorite, and that dangled a little bit. So I want to show you something that I purchased from Amazon. It's all these little bows. And I think these bows, I'm going to share them with the swap, because there's so many of them. But look at these bows. They're already made. So you could actually put them on, you know, projects. You could put them on your paper clips for sure. That would be super cute to put those on your paper clips. And even having the dangle hanging down, that would be beautiful. Even this green goes with it. May have to iron them a little bit, possibly. Take out my little craft iron and iron them, but they're super cute. There's that cream color, the green, the red, and I think that's all the colors, but there's a bunch of them, more than I will ever use, and I will be sharing them with my swap partners. So that's it for today. That's all the project share I have today. Very short video, and I will see you guys on Friday. You guys take care. All right, bye.